Hey folks, it's Susan at the Rock Shop at 311 Broadway, historic downtown Paducah, where positive energy works. And I wanted to talk to you about burning incense in an incense coffin or an incense boat. They're really lovely, and they add a wonderful ambiance. And some people are a little confused about how to do it. So I just wanted to talk about how do you do this. So the incense boat is designed so that you can put your sticks of incense or your cones in and then leave them safely. I don't know about you, but sometimes I get a little bit frustrated with the ash catchers. You know, the ash, for whatever reason, doesn't go in here. So this really helps contain that. They come with a little hole in the end, and then you light it, all right, and then you give it a light. I'm blowing out the match. Okay? And your incense smoke is then coming out. And they come with a variety of designs and styles, and it's just a beautiful way to burn your incense safely. So that, folks, is the incense boat or the incense coffin. We carry them at the Rock Shop. So, folks, if that has been helpful, I'd sure appreciate a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button. That really helps us grow the channel. And as always, namaste.